Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by reproducing the error exactly so you know where Python complains. Run the file from terminal to capture the traceback and note the line number and error type. This pinpoints the neighborhood. Once done, open that file in an editor with line numbers and syntax highlighting, then cut down the code to a minimal example that still triggers the syntax error. This isolates accidental context and makes the real problem visible quickly. You now look for the usual suspects that cause syntax errors. First, scan the indicated line and surrounding block for missing colons after def, class, if for while, try, and except. A missing colon breaks the parser. Next, verify matching quotes, parentheses, and brackets, and ensure indentation is consistent. Mixing tabs and spaces often triggers hidden errors. Also inspect for stray characters or invisible Unicode, trailing backslashes, and unterminated multi-line strings, which commonly confuse the interpreter. You apply a fix and then immediately rerun the file. Fixing multiple things at once makes debugging harder, so change one thing at a time and confirm the error goes away. Make use of linters like flake8 or pylint and run Python mpy compile to catch parsing errors early. If you still cannot find it, return to the minimal reproducible example, add simple prints or comment out blocks to narrow the scope, and check the terminal error line again for new clues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.